Hello my beautiful badgers, Messi Coda back again with another asset store review. This time it is the Crypto Water System, otherwise known as KWS. Believe it or not, this is the standard render pipeline. It's not HDRP and it's not URP, but it looks stunningly beautiful. I thought it was a real video taken on a beach somewhere, but actually this is made inside Unity. If you want to see how powerful this really is, well, sit back and I'll see you all in a second. Here we are in the first of the many beautiful demo scenes, and as it pops up and loads up, you can see this amazing water and the foam particle effect splashing against the rocks. Honestly, I thought this was a video. It is so beautiful. We can ignore this UI on the left hand side, which is unfortunately is the old classic Unity UI system, and it doesn't work. So it's not great. It looks beautiful, and as the sun is coming down on this water, this is the standard render pipeline. It is not HDRP, it is not URP, but it looks fantastic. Now I've turned off the Cine machine and I've added in my own extended fly cam. If we go over to the water, let me show you some lovely things. So we go over here, we've got buoyancy enabled on the water, so we can actually do nice bouncing around. Got the reflection enabled. We've got a flow map here, flow map painter, and you can see like it's all flowing that direction at the moment. I can then basically do something like this. And if I go in, we need to zoom in a little bit, I think, to see this better. So I'm going to start painting my flow. Can you see there? There, it's just painted my flow. If I can even make a nice little curvy around there. See as it's curving round. Nice. You can paint this to follow a river if you wanted. We've got here, use fluid simulation if you want. I'm just going to increase the speed so you can see there. Look at that, it's crazy. Obviously we don't want it to be too much like that. Save that change, get out of the editor, and now you can see that flow map. Look, you can't see it really well currently in this mode here, especially with the gizmos. Disable selection outline. That's better. Now you can see the flow map. Selection outline, it's a very naughty thing. Go back to the water. If I click on my water and I zoom out a bit and I go over here to my shoreline, you can see the foam particles of the shoreline, and I can go over to very easily the shoreline edit mode here, and I can just click on add a wave and it will add in another wave. I can even rotate that slightly if I want to. There we go. I'm going to click on local here and move that around. Oops, don't like that when you click off, and then it's very annoying. Go back down here, add another wave. Here's another wave. If you want to be totally crazy, you can even rotate it the other way round if you want to. For some reason, I've now got my wave going that way. Now add another wave, and it's remembered the directions of that one, so I'm going to put that one over here. And now that one's going that direction. And I'm going to add another wave, and that wave can go about here. Beautiful stuff. Look how easy that was. And then click save my changes and get out of edit mode. Now I've got one that's going that direction bizarrely, and those ones going here. So you can also turn these off. Put them on the allotted system so that when I'm out and about here, I don't want to have all of these particle effects going on. I can cull them as well. If you can't see it, don't have them being used. We click play and have a look. Also, before I do that, just to point out, we've got the underwater effect and the caustics are turned on as well. So I can click play, jump in, and wait for everything to happen and start loading in. Give it a second. Give it another second. Here we go. And now I can go around and see our creations. Look, here is the flow map that we drew. So it's going crazy flow. And if I go over to our shoreline painter, we're going to see our extra shoreline that we've painted in over here. You can see that one, it's going left. That's one we drew that way, rotated, and here's the other ones going over here. They look so pretty. They really do. They look lovely. I love them. And I love how they just splash against these rocks. Look at them as they come in, splashing against the rocks. And if we bring our camera down a touch into the water, and we've got our caustics going on. Got the rocks there, the pebbles at the beach. Beautiful. It's beautiful underwater, especially look here as it's going up and down. It is so well done. So well done. Really is beautiful. Love this water. And this is just one of many demo scenes to showcase just how pretty this is. Let's play about with all the different demo scenes there. Here we are in the sandy beach scene. As before, you've got to give it a few seconds for it to load everything in there. And as the camera just flies along, how beautiful green that water is. Oh, it's like being on the Bora Bora or somewhere like that. I've never been, and this is as close as I'll probably get in my lifetime recreating Bora Bora inside Unity and using the KWS water system to just splash about in there. Well, let's click off here. Actually, first of all, we're going to pause and see where the camera is. So the camera's around here pointing down. So if I go around here, we can see if I drop in a 3D object here and put it around about there. Okay, how is it in the view? It is in the view. Let's take it and add it out here. Lovely. Okay, I'm going to just copy this. Transform. Copy. Position. Well, position. Brilliant. And get out of this mode. And then I'm going to create that cube again. And I'll paste in these values. There we go. It's thrown in. And I'm going to add in a component. Buoyancy. You can spell buoyancy. And here it is. It's added in the rigid body that it needs. And I've got my values from my little cube here. If I now click play, nothing will happen because I need to drag in the water. So I drag in the water and say this is the water. We go over to the water, make sure that buoyancy is ticked. It is now ticked. And we're going to click play. Hopefully our little box is going to be floating about in the water. There it is in the distance. Oh, I can see it bobbing. Look, it's getting pushed against the shore. Oh my word, I can see it. I can see, I'm so excited. There you go. It's going off to sea. Where are you going, Boxy? Where are you going? So it's a simple buoyancy you can throw onto this. Looking lovely. Beautiful stuff. Oh my word. It's so simple to just use this water system. It really is. Here you go. There's another view. It is like watching a video. It's just like watching a video. It really is. Look at it. Stunning. Stunning stuff. What other demo scenes we got here? The cave. Oh, the Cave of Wonders. Again, this is just the standard render pipeline. This is not URP. This is not HDRP. Yet it looks stunning. And as we go under, the fogginess, the God rays coming through, the caustics. Wow. Look at the reflection down there in the water. Oh, it's lovely. Oh. Reflections, refractions, and all the things that we're supposed to have learned in school. Yeah, I can never remember how all the maths works. I don't need to worry about the maths because we've got other people making the assets for us. This is just a picture. This is just a billboard. This is just an image reflected on the water. So it's not even just has to be reflection of objects. This is an image and it's reflecting on the water and it looks very real. So if you've got your backgrounds and your scenes, look here with the lights going down. It's like something out of Batman and Gotham. Well, let's go into the next MSC. We're going to go through a village here. There's the Viking Village from Unity as we're going up, splashing around. Here we are, same village scene, but now the sun's going down. It's romantic. The light bouncing off the water. We need some dragonflies on the water here to be going bouncing around. So what do I think? Well, you know what I think about this water system. It takes a second or two for the foam to kick in. So if you are loading in, then have a loader. Control your scenes, have a loader, load up, and then drop the character into the scene whenever things load up. You should be doing that anyway, really, not just with this water system. Numbers looking good. I've got quite a lot going on my PC at the moment. I've got the video editing recording going on. I've got other projects open, and I'm still getting a good, healthy FPS count as well. So if you are looking to get a water system, then why not pick up the KWS crypto water system, currently on 50% sale on the Unity Asset Store. And if you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to click on that nice juicy red subscribe button down below. Tell all of your friends, random people on the street, that Messi is now splashing about in Bora Bora. If you do like it, click it. Till next time. If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now, and down below there's that big juicy subscribe button, and right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.